Today I'm reading from Dr. Ernest Holmes, and he wrote, "We use the creative power of the universe every time we think." So let's put these words of wisdom to work in our lives, and we do that through affirmative prayer. I'm going to say this prayer in the first person, but take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work for you, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one God, one mind, one power, and that power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. The power is flowing through me, with me, and for me. I am in that power. And here today, I choose to know something better for myself, that I have come to life to experience all the goodness God had in mind when it called me by name from stardust. So here today, I know there's an easy and wonderful way for me to have all the love, health, and prosperity that I seek in my life. Here today, I lift my eyes to a better knowing for myself, and Spirit provides me wonderful possibilities to live the dream of my life. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.